Mazda tribute customer complaining about rough idle and about to stall. Really cold outside. We removed the lower intake manifold to check for vacuum leaks. She was leaking vacuum. You can see these gaskets are completely flat, like there is no seal left. All these gaskets are bad, and we're going to replace with a new gasket and park it outside when it's cold and recheck, make sure the problem is fixed. Very common problem on Mazda Tributes and Ford Escape. They all have these problems on the lower intake because when everybody changes the spark plug, they remove the upper intake, but they never bother to change the lower intake gasket.